How to e-clean your Kangen water machine. First, be sure to turn off and unplug the unit. Second, remove the machine filter and replace it with a cleaning powder unit or CPU. Ensure that both O-rings are attached to the filter and the other O-rings are attached to the CPU. This will avoid leakage during the cleaning process. Next, pour 1 to 2 sachets of Inagic e-cleaning powder evenly to the bottom of the cleaning powder unit and retighten the cap. Now place the CPU on the main unit and secure the unit in place with the holder. You may or may not replace the filter cover during this process. Fourth, place the tip of the flexible pipe and the secondary water hose or stand at the bottom of a cup or any container, preferably a see-through glass, and allow the water to flow through the pipe until the cup is half full of water. Now turn off the faucet and leave the pipe and the hose in the cup for 3 to 5 hours. Fifth, remove the cup after 3 to 5 hours. Then turn on the faucet and let the water flow through for several minutes. I usually do this for about 10 to 15 minutes to thoroughly rinse off the citric acid from the plates. If the water flow is too slow, you may also use a water booster pump to pump the hard deposits out of your machine. Simply attach the water inlet hose of the booster pump directly to the tap, or you may also use a basin with water and e-cleaning powder as the water source as shown in this video. Attach the output hose of the booster pump to the water inlet hose of the Kangen machine. Now plug in and turn on the water booster pump and let it run for about 5 minutes or until the top hose of the machine produces more water than that of the bottom hose. These white particles that you see are the mineral clusters attached to the machine's electrode plates during the electrolysis process. These will decrease the electrolysis capacity of the Kangen machine if not removed. Sixth, replace the filter that was removed in step 2 and reattach the cover. Lastly, turn on the faucet and allow the water to flow through. Plug in the electrical cord and start producing your desired water type. I usually start with the beauty water. After completing the cleaning process, you may still see deposits flowing out of your machine. You simply discard the water if deposits are still found in it. It is recommended to rinse the CPU with tap water thoroughly after using and dry it off completely with a soft cloth and store the unit in a dry place. We hope this information is useful to you. Enjoy your fresh Kangen water daily and have a great day. Change your water, change your life.